Yes, mister.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I want.
Okay, guys, today we will continue in lesson 1 on relationships between two variables and relationship between two variables. Let's remember what's the idea of this lesson. We took it yesterday. Now, yesterday we said, for example, if we have y equal 2x, for example, here we call this relationship between the two variables x and y. And yesterday we said that x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. Now here we have two ideas. Sometimes I give you x, for example, if x equal 5, and I want y. Other times I give you y, for example, if y equal 24, and I want x. So if you have two variables, one of the variables should be given so you can find the other one. Again, if you have two variables, one of the variables should be given to find the other one. Now let's find if x equal 5, what's y? Y, replace x by 5. Y will be 2 multiply 5, which is 10. So y equal 10. Let's do this one. If y equal 24, what's x? Replace y by its value, the given one. So 24 equal 2x. Now in chapter 6, we took 4 types of equations. Multiplication equation, division, addition, subtraction. This one is a multiplication equation. Solve it to find x. Rewrite it. Divide both sides by the coefficients. X will be 12. So here I gave you x, you find y. I gave you y, you find x. This is the idea, okay? This is the idea. And yesterday we did, I think, example 1, I'm not sure. So let's continue in our examples and the check questions together. Let's continue. Better. Read.
Yes,
What we did yesterday, we did example 1 or no?
Wait. Yeah, I think we.
The check after example 1, we did it?
We did. Yeah, example 1, we did it. No, the check. No, the check. No.
Yeah. Let's start with the check, guys. The check after example 1, which page what?
Page 399.
399. Yalla read. All of you guys go to this page on this check and let's do it here. Yalla.
A grocery store charges $2.50 per gallon of fruit punch. The total cost C of G gallons of fruit punch is equal to 2.50 times G.
Wait يا ابني wait. اقرأ من عند the total. See the total؟
Yeah.
لعند G. لحظة شوي. افهم شو بدي منك. The total. Until G, read it slowly. يلا.
The total cost of gallons of fruit punch.
لا ما لحظة لا ليش عديت C أنت؟
The total cost.
يلا again.
The total cost C of G gallons of fruit punch is equal to 2.50 times G.
بس. Here, this sentence, which better read, guys, is the rule of the function, the question, all of it. The total cost C is equal to, they wrote 2.5 times G. C is the total cost. G is the number of gallons. Means C equal 2.5 times, yani multiply 2.5 G. This is our rule. This is our what? Rule, which we will follow in this question, okay? Now down we have a table. We have a table. See it?
Yes.
Focus with me, guys, all of you here. Here is the number of gallons. They call it G. Here is the total cost. They call it C. And here, the rule. The rule. They wrote 2.5 G, right?
Yes.
You will add, all of you guys, in your table here. This is 2.5 equals what?
C.
Equals C, right? So here you write C equal. Write this. C equal 2.5 G. Write it for me. Now, what the question wants from us, they want the cost. Continue reading, yeah.
The rule is 2.5 G. Make a table using the rule to find the total cost of buying 1, 2, or 3 gallons of fruit punch.
Use the table to find the total cost of buying number of gallons, 1, 2, or what? 3. Don't forget to write C equal in the table. Don't forget that. Here, before 2.5 G, write C equal this. Now, let's find the first one, yeah. Better. What's the given?
The first one is 2.50.
Here, what's the given? The given. What's the given? We have two variables يا ابني ركز معي. We have C and G, yes. Right? They are two variables. What's the given? C or G here?
C.
في إشي على السي يا ابني؟ كيف يعني سي given؟ وين؟ يلا شوفي مكتوب هون، شايف إشي أنت؟
لا.
شوفي هون يلا ها احكي لي.
الجي يا مستر because they said one.
يكون في 9 وأنا مش شايفها مثلا، في 9 هون أنا مش شايفها. في؟
لا على الجي because it has 1, 2 and 3.
The given are what? The G's, the number of gallons. G is given معطيك هي given هي شايفه؟ Now, if G is given, what we want to find?
C.
يلا, how we find the C? Tell me, what I will write here?
We will write C, 7 point, no, sorry, 1 by 2, 1 plus 2.5.
يا ابني here, see all of this thing? See
yeah.
it? في بلس. شايف بلس انت؟
No. يعني they want us
انت بتشوف شغلات انا مش شايفها. في بلس هون. Is there any plus?
No.
جاوبني. Why you say 2.5 plus 1? ها فهمني ها. يا ابني G is 1, right?
Yes.
Replace G by 1. سهلة. Remove G and put 1. What I will write here?
1 by 2.5 by 1.
يا ابني ركز الله يساعدك. See this rule? شايفها؟
Yes.
Replace G and put 1 only. What I will write here? Tell me.
2.5 by G. By 1.
طب والسي يا ابني وين راحت؟
C equal.
السي هذه وين راحت؟
C equal.
والايكوال وين راحت؟ ما انا بحكي قاعد بس replace G by 1. What I will write here?
C equal 2.5 by 1.
2.5 multiply 1. Is this difficult?
No.
How much 2.5 multiply 1?
2.5.
بس. يلا, do for me the second one. What I will write here?
C equal 2.5 by 2.
2.5 multiply 2. What's the answer? 5. Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes, I understand. And
Focus يا بدر. Focus. Okay?
okay.
Yeah. Another student, Abdul Hamid. What I will do for the third one here?
For the third one, we will put 2.5 multiplied by 3.
يا ابني see the rule. شايف هالرول هذه؟
Yeah.
Replace
C
G
equals
only.
2.5.
ايوه replace G by 3. C equal. ليش تنسوها هذه؟ انا ما بعرف. ها C equal
2.5 multiply 3.
Mr.
how much?
7.50.
Bas.
Mr. Why would
So if you buy 1 gallon, the cost will be $2.1. If you buy 2 gallons, the cost will be $5. If you buy $3, 3 gallons, the cost will be $7.5 only.
Mr.
Just replace and calculate. That's all. This is the check, page 399.
2.5 by 1 is 2.5 يا مستر.
يا لازم هي مش شايفها 2.5 يعني انت؟
مستر انت كنت كاتب 2.1 يا مستر.
وين يا مستر ها؟ بس هي انت شايفها سوداء، انت مش شايفها سوداء هون؟
مستر كنت كاتب 2.1 بالاحمر.
ماشي بس هي لانه عشان الضوء فبيعكس فبيطلع اسود، هي 2.5.
Thank you مستر.
طيب let's go to example 2 now together. Example 2. يلا اجلطوني كمان. عبد الرحمن read.
Yes.
يلا عبد الرحمن, do you understand the idea here?
Very well.
ها?
Very well.
Very well, good. يلا example 2. Read.
Each small pizza at the local pizza shop costs $6.75.
بس. Again, continue.
Okay, the total cost C of P small pizza is equal to 6.75 times P.
بس the total cost C. عشان تشتري حضرتك بيتزا C equal 6.75 times the number of pizza, and they call it what?
P.
P means C equal 6.75 multiply in a place of times what? P. صح?
Yes.
So this is the rule. And they want us now, this table, right? Here is the independent. Here what we will write? The rule, the formula, okay? They wrote 6.75p like this. What you will add here in your book?
P equal.
C equal, don't forget that. Here, the value of the cost, the total cost, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now continue. What's the question wants? Now the question, look here. All of you guys, look here. In this question, the question gave you G and they want C. Let's see what this question wants. Tell me.
Give us C and they want to find G.
They gave the cost and they want what?
P.
How many pizzas? P is the number of pizzas, right?
Yes.
What's the cost which are given, Yabni? What's the first cost?
13.50.
The second cost?
27.
Here.
33.75.
Good. These are the given. The rule given, the cost given. They want what from us?
P. How many
P.
pizza?
That means here the cost of 1 gallon is this number. But here, if if the cost is 13.50, how many pizzas you should have? Do you understand it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now tell me here, what I will do here?
We will write C equal
أيوة.
6.75 multiply.
أيوة.
I don't know.
I don't know. يا أخي حبيتك. حبيتك لأنك حكيت I don't know. حلو. Now what's the given يا عبد الرحمن? P or C?
C.
So here the given was what with Badr? The given was what?
G.
G. So I replaced G by the value of it, right?
Yes.
Here what's the given? P or C?
C.
So what I will do, I will replace C by the given. Is this
And
difficult? Is this difficult?
No.
Yeah, replace C by the given value. What I will write here?
C equal.
لا إله إلا الله. يبني replace C by the given value. What I will write here?
10.50 equal 6.75.
Again يا ابني شوي. What I will write here يلا.
10 equal 50.
13 أيوة 0.50 equal continue
6.75.
بس
P.
بس موضوع سهل. Replace C by the given number only and the others comes down the same. ما عملتش إشي أنا بس شلت السي وحطيت النمبر. في مشكلة؟
No.
Good. Now what we have here يا ابني here 13.50 equals 6.75p. What we have? What's this? What's this? Equation. يعني عليك. What's the type of this equation?
The type.
نوعها يعني.
Divide.
The type. What's this? The kind of this equation. The type of this equation. What is it? Where we took it?
I forget.
Type. This equation. See this equation here? 9 equal 3m. What's the type of this equation?
Equal multiply.
طيب here مش هاي نفسها هذه يعني ايش فرقت لانه في decimal. What's the type of this equation يا ابني؟ Multiply. So take this equation guys out. I will take this equation out of the table, outside the table, and I will write it here. 13.50 equal 6.75p. How we will solve this equation?
Okay, we will divide 6.75 from both sides.
ممتاز. What I'm using, guys, I'm using the strategy of us in solving the equations, which we did in chapter 6. So here I'll divide both sides by the coefficient. We did that a lot of times. Divide, P will be, if you divide these two numbers, it will be what?
2.
2. Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes.
So P is how much?
2.
Which means if the cost is 13.50, the number of pizzas should be how much? 2 pizzas. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Goodbye. The next one.
Okay. We will write.
لا other student. معلش عبد الرحمن another student. Ahmed Bardawil. Put your hands, guys. Put your hands. Malcolm. Put your hands. يلا يا أحمد.
Yes, mister.
هلا والله. أعطيني.
We will replace 27 by C and write the other things like the same thing.
يلا, what I will write?
27 equals 6.75p.
ممتاز. Now here what we have? Equation, right, mister?
Yes,
How
one.
I'll solve it? I will take it outside. I'll take this equation outside here and solve it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So 27 equals 6.75b. 27 equals 6.75p. This equation, what's the type of it?
Multiplication equation.
What we will do?
Division.
Yeah. Divide on what both sides?
27 both sides. No, sorry, 6.75 both sides.
Yeah. Replace. P will be, if you divide these two numbers, the answer will be 4. The answer will be what? 4.
4.
I will take this 4 for the P and I fill the table. What's this mean? If you pay or the cost is $27, this means that you already bought how many pizzas?
4
4.
pizzas.
Next. Marwan.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla ya ابني. What I will write here?
33.75 equal 6.75p.
Good. This is equation, right?
Yes, multiplication equation.
Let's do it outside the table. Then we'll put the answer here. Yalla, 33. 33.75 equals 6.75p, right?
Yeah.
Yalla, how will solve it?
We will write the equation again.
I
Then
did.
divide 6.75 on both sides.
Mumtaz. These are gone. P will be, if you divide these two numbers, the answer will be 5. The answer will be 5.
5.
So here, P is how much?
5.
Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Good boy. This is example 2, guys, on page, I don't know which page. Example 2. Now, we have check after this example. Sorry, we have check, I think on page 400. Let's do it together. The check. Omar Ala, read.
Yes, Mr. Let's
Yes.
check. Yes,
Do you understand first?
Yes, I understand the two examples.
Good boy. Yeah.
Leslie has 48 stickers to give to her friends. The number of stickers each friend will receive is equal to 84 divided by F. The number.
Right. Wait. S is 84 divided by what?
By 2. By 84. No, Mr. No.
What they wrote? Tell me. I didn't hear you.
It's 48.
Mashi. 48 divided by what?
48 divided by F.
By F. And F is the number of the friends, right?
Yes.
Good. S is what? Is the number of the stickers, Mashek?
Yes.
Now let's make the rule. S is means S equal, Mashek. 48 divided by F, write it, the book, they wrote it as 48 divided by F. But I want to write it as a fraction, okay?
Okay.
48 divided by F. This is the rule. Mistake?
Yes.
Now let's find the table, or I will make the table. Now, in the table, I have two variables. F, the number of the friends, and each friend, how much, or the number of the stickers, right?
Stickers. Yes.
Now here, guys, they wrote the rule 48 divided by f. أنا ما بدي أكتبها هيك. Write it with me as a fraction. And don't forget to write what? S equal. So I'll write it as S equal 48 over f. It's the same, but I want to use the fraction form because in the equations, we used to use the fraction form, right?
Yes.
So replace what they wrote here in your book by the fraction form, please. S equal 48 divided by f. Now, what is the given, ya Omar? The number of the friends or the number of the stickers?
The number of the stickers.
Good. What are the number of the stickers which are given here?
12, 8, and 6.
12, 8, and
6.
do you understand how I created it?
Yes.
Good. Now, yeah, let's solve.
First thing,
Hmm.
we will find the
What
number.
I will write?
12.
أيوه. كمل. راح.
12
عمر.
equal. Yes.
يلا يا ابني كمل. 12 equal
48 over f.
بس. I just replace S by the given only. Is this difficult?
No.
Now this is equation, right?
Yes.
What I will do, I will take it outside the question, and I will
solve it.
solve it. يلا. 12 equal 48 over f. مظبوط?
Yes.
How we solve this equation?
We will divide 12. We will divide 12 by the both sides.
لا يا مستر غلط. We will divide 12 by the both sides. What's the type of this equation?
Division.
If we have division, what we will do?
Multiplication.
But the variable is down. Remember this idea? If the variable is down, what
We
do
will
you
flip
need
it.
to do first? Huh?
We will flip it.
يلا مالك نسيت reciprocal. So this will be f
over
48, and the 12 will be what?
over 1.
1 over 12.
1 over 12. Yes.
Now we have division equation. The numerator is the variable.
We will
What we will
multiply.
do? Tell me.
Multiply
By what?
by 12.
Multiply by what يا ابني?
By 12. By 48. 48.
اخ يا قلبي يا عمر. You multiply with the divisor of the variable, صح?
Yes.
12 is not the divisor of the variable. 48 is the divisor of the variable. ركز يا عمر. Now, 48 with 48 gone, f will be here over 1, multiply, divide. The answer will be what?
4.
4. So f is what here?
4.
Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes.
Let's do the second part with 8.
8.
Sulaiman.
Yes.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla Yabni. What I will write here?
We will write 8 equal 48 هذا over f.
Over f.
Yeah.
This is the equation.
Take it
I will
out.
take it outside to solve it. Yalla. 8 equal 48 over f. What I will do?
Reciprocal in both sides.
1 over 8 equal f over 48. Then
Multiply 48 in both sides.
multiply here and here by 48.
Here
This
it
gone.
costs-
F will
yeah.
be multiply, divide. It will be what?
6.
6. So f here is what?
6.
6. The third part. I want the new students, guys. Where are you? Hisham.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Do for me the third part. Yalla.
Mr. Your voice, can you get the camera back? I can't see.
Yalla.
Yes, we will replace it with 12.
Yalla. What I will write?
12
اي 12 يا ابني؟ اي خلصنا ال 12 احنا وخلصنا ال 8. وين كاين انت؟ يلا. What I will write?
6.
يلا احكي لي شو اكتب؟
6 equal 48 over f.
ممتاز. This is equation. Let's solve it outside.
Yes.
6 equal 48 over f. How
Over
will
f.
solve it?
We will do reciprocal.
يلا. 1 over 6 equal f over 48. Then يلا يا ابني.
Mr.
I'm with you, Mr. Talk. What I will do?
We will divide.
Hisham, it's division. We will divide.
No, we will multiply.
طب ركز يا ابني ركز ما انا بحكي لك ركز. It is not division. What we will do?
Multiply.
يلا multiply with what?
Multiply with 6 both sides.
لا يا ابني multiply with the divisor of the variable. ايش مالكم اليوم انتو؟ كبي guys كبي بسرعة. كبي. Okay. Now, at 2 p.m. guys, don't forget that you have online assignment. At 2 p.m. you have online assignment. Now in Sunday, you have your math test. Okay? Now take this assignment as a revision exercises about that math test. Okay, it has equations, so do them and revise in the weekend, and hope you get very well mark in your exam. If you have any questions, guys, if you have any questions, yes, Muhammad.
No, nothing.
Right. If you have any questions, guys, you can contact me on my Coursera. So don't forget to do the online assignment, study during the weekend, and to do your math test on Sunday, inshallah. Thank you so much. I will send these exercises for you in your inbox so you can fill them all. And do your homework of this lesson. Don't forget that. And goodbye. Have a great weekend.